Hey guys, it's Alan here from the Body Holiday in lovely St Lucia. I'm the new chef. I just started here in December, and I'm here to show you some nice healthy recipes you can make at home while you're in self-isolation. Obviously everyone has a bit of this and a bit of that. We're going to show you how to make a nice healthy curry today. I'm going to make my own fresh curry paste. Obviously if you have a store-bought one, you can use that as well. If you don't, I'm sure you can go to the pantry, find all these things your friends have given you over the years, and come up with some lovely alternatives. Today we're going to start with basically a homemade curry paste, which I've just got here. Some cumin seeds, a bit of fenugreek, of course turmeric, very good for antioxidants, antifungal. I've got a jerk curry paper from the Caribbean, and some nice chili flakes as well, a bit of cumin and paprika. Here I've got some chicken breasts, nice and organic, but again you could be using shrimp, fish, tofu, you know, some beans. It's totally up to you. Here, obviously, we've got some garlic, fresh ginger, onions. I've got some tomatoes and some broccoli, bit of mango, sugar snaps, and courgettes. But again, any kind of vegetables will be fantastic. Just try to make sure if you can use some ginger, garlic, and onion as your base.
Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to steam fry all our spices and smaller ingredients. So just a tiny bit of olive oil. Again, you could also use coconut oil or any oil of a high burning point, and water. And then I'm adding in all my spices as per the recipe. You can see they've got nice turmeric, paprika, got some garam masala, ginger, fresh onion, fresh garlic. So again, very antibacterial, very great for boosting your immune system. I'm just going to cook this off for a couple of minutes. So just get all the lovely spices coming out. Again, just topping up with some water. So again, we're not really frying it, as you can see. It's just more what we call steam frying. So the water will bubble, steam, and they'll actually cook the ingredients. So it's a much healthier way to work. And then I'm going to start adding some more of my smaller ingredients. And again, this is great with anything. You can be using shrimp, any kind of fish, chicken, turkey, tofu. You know, any kind of pulse is quite nice. Chickpeas are always very, very good. And again, serving it as well. You can, use quinoa, brown rice, even some noodles. We're going to use quinoa today. I like quinoa. It's very light, easy to cook. It takes 18 to 20 minutes. Has all 9 amino acids in it as well. So, yeah. And the chicken, I'm just going to add in. Just get it sealed. Give it a good stir. One of the good things about this is just all the antibacterial, antifungal, and antioxidant properties that are all in this curry. So there's a whole plethora of them, which is fantastic, especially when you're trying to boost your immune system. And also it's a great way to use up leftovers in the fridge again, where everyone has them. Give it a nice stir. Just trying to make sure that the chicken's all sealed. It'll just help seal in the juices and the flavour. A bit more water in there. Again, if you wanted to use vegetable stock or chicken stock, you could. But I think with all the spices you've got, water's absolutely quite fine. Just stirring all the ingredients through, making sure it's all nice and neat, and then we're going to add the coconut water. So it's reducing down. Okay, I'm adding my broccoli, my tomatoes, my zucchinis, my mango. And again, really, you can add in anything that you like. Sweet potatoes are quite nice as well. Zucchinis, green or yellow. Even a little bit of cabbage. It was quite nice as well. Cauliflower. So really anything you've got left over. Just sealing that up now. A bit more water. We're just going to reduce it down a little bit. Adding some fresh cloves as well. Again, things like fresh cloves, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, caraway seeds, always lovely. Our fresh coconut milk. Again, if you can get the organic, that's always better. Right guys, so here we go. As you can see, we've reduced it down now. This has taken about 12 minutes. Obviously, depending on how hot your flame is, we're using a commercial stove top here. Now we're adding the natural yogurt. Again, probiotics, so very good for your stomach. Also has a lovely flavour, and it's a much healthier alternative than using cream. So I'll add this in here. Just a little bit of lemon juice. Again, I prefer this to salt. So I always try to use this. Same with lime juice. Just a lot fresher, also a lot better for the flavour. And then I'll add my snow peas right at the end. Again, because they're quite small, so they'll cook quickly. I want to keep them a little bit crunchy for a little bit of nice texture on it. And there you go. So that is your basic Indian curry. And again, just using stuff you've already got in the cupboard at home. Pretty much everyone's got curry powder or curry paste. And obviously, whether it's chicken masala or a korma or vindaloo, you know, you can make one at home very quickly and easily. And again, very good for the immune boosting, which we all need at the moment. Right guys, well that's the beautiful chicken curry. And what's great about it, no artificial additives, preservatives, things that I can't pronounce, all nice and healthy. You can probably find most of this in your pantry. And again, very, very good for your immune system. Today I'm serving it up with some quinoa. Again, quinoa, fantastic alternative to rice. Has all 9 amino acids. Extremely good. It's got protein, carbohydrates, the good stuff. So it's a good alternative. Otherwise you could use brown rice, white rice, sweet potatoes if you want, or just have it as it is. It's almost like a nice thick curry soup. And there it is guys, a nice, healthy, immune-friendly chicken curry. Thanks for coming. See you again at the Body Holiday.